Hey YouTubers, good morning, it's Robb Moffett. Guys, some years ago I purchased a small Sony portable radio and it's broken. I'm very disappointed in Sony. Hardly ever had a problem with Sony and the darn thing's broken. So I'm looking for another radio. I saw this Retekess, it's a V115 portable AM/FM radio with shortwave radio and sleep timer and so on and so forth, and it looks pretty interesting. And I did some more reading about it. And if you go down here where the company starts telling you in detail, it's made me want to buy it. Great volume radio with bracket. The sound is loud for this V115 little radio, and you can using the radio in the living room, chicken, bedroom. I've been looking for years for a radio I could use in my chicken. Finally, they've done it. And you can also enjoy the portable radio when walking, running, having a travel, having a square dancing, and so on. I think my lack of square dancing is just a dark, dismal part of my life that now can be completed with this radio, because now when having a travel, I can also do my square dancing. I'm ready now. This is going to be great. The pocket radio is easy to display with a bracket and the little layup on an angle mount, which is good for desk. With the headphone jack, you're able to own some private space without disturbing others' surround. I'm buying this radio. They've sold me. I can't help myself. The FM radio can play MP3 format music, stored in IF card, not included. You can enjoy the music freely. If you remember the load number, can punch in that number to get to song directly. So, I'm sold. You had me at Square Dance. I'm buying. Guys, as soon as the radio comes in, I'll be doing a video review of it. And if you need to purchase a radio for your chicken, I'll leave a link to Amazon in my video description.